Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some really simple nails using minimal supplies. You really only need a few polishes and some striping tape. And usually I like to use glitter as an accent nail, but today I'm going to be doing some simple pink stripes as a nail art accent. So anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. And for this design, all the polishes that I'm going to be using are from Nails Inc, but of course you can use whatever polishes you want. I'm using Vintage Tea, which is a pale pink polish, Whiteout, which is a white polish, Glamingo, which is a neon pink polish, and Birds Before Boys, which is a pinky orange polish with some gold shimmers. And like I mentioned earlier, I will be using some striping tape. This is some 2mm striping tape from Born Pretty store. And onto the nails, I'm going to start off with one coat of UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat, and for the nail art accent nail, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Vintage Tea, which is the light pink polish, as a base color. And I want to make sure my nails are completely dry before I apply the striping tape, so I'm going to apply a layer of a fast drying top coat to help speed that up. And then I'm going to cut this striping tape into small pieces, and I'm going to place them horizontally on my nail, leaving about 2mm of space in between each tape. And I'm going to use a medium-sized dotting tool to fill in the spaces with polish. The first space I'm going to use the neon pink polish, the second space I'll use the shimmery pinky orange polish, the third space I'll use the white polish, and finally the last space I'll use the neon pink polish again. And the key to getting clean lines when using striping tape is you want to remove the striping tape as soon as possible. So I was a little bit behind, but I should have removed that first striping tape as soon as I finished with the pink stripe. But just as a general rule of thumb, you want to try to remove the striping tape before the polish has a chance to completely dry in order to get clean lines. Then I'm just going to remove any excess polish that got onto my skin with a brush dipped in some acetone. And for my other nails, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to apply 2 coats of Glamingo, which was that neon pink polish, to my index nail and my pinky nail. And then for my ring fingernail, I'm going to apply 2 coats of that shimmery pinky orange polish called Birds Before Boys. And last but not least, I'm going to apply a coat of a fast drying glossy top coat to finish off this design. So here is the finished design, and I'd love to hear what you think about these really simple nails with a nail art accent in the comments down below. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, I'd love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!